Alright, so we're going to download this file, which I already have downloaded. So I'm going to go right here, and we'll open up this folder and open up this file. So we're going to grab these 6 keys, and I'm going to go over to this right here, and I think this guy's the longest, so I'm going to bring, oops. Delete that. Okay, so I'm going to bring this guy around over here because he's number 6. And let's just center him. Oops. Center him into this one right here. And we're going to use the shadow for a kind of a placement thing. Help us align things better. So I'm going to grab this right here, and if I zoom in, I can press Control Y. There is a point right there, so I'm just going to grab that point and put it right here. Snap into place. Do that over and over again. Oops. And then get rid of that shadow that we used. And so this cat is going from left to right, so it's right facing. We're going to name it walk right 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, and 06. I've already done that for the rest of them. And then go File, Export, Export for screens. We're going to do it in this folder right here called Walk Cycle, and press Export. I put the width as 240 because that's what it is, but sometimes there's a slight difference. If we do that point at 1, it might be 239, and that messes things up. So we're just going to do 240. And next thing you'll do is you'll open up a PNG assembler. This will make your PNGs into an animated PNG. So grab these ones right here, place them right here. Delay all selected, delay all frames, and I have it as 2/24 or 1/12. And then press set, and you where you wanted to download it, name it to what you want it to be. So this would be right walk .png. And after that, we are going to go into storyline. This is it's gonna create a state real quick. I've already created it, but I'll create it again. Click here, create this, make a state called characterState, make it text, and press OK. We're just gonna set this up real quick. Text box, whoops, insert text box, and go to characterState, and then we go insert reference, press OK, and there you go, press home. Come on, center and center. Okay, we're going to now insert the our files are right. That's the first one. Grab all of them that I created the other ones earlier today or last night. So I have these four. Actually, I'm not going to do that part just yet. We're just going to grab the right idle and just throw it in here. Go to state, go to edit states, press this button that says insert images as, this insert pictures as states. So we can grab 4 different pictures. And that will make them 4 different states. So they're all named and everything. Walk right, walk left, idle right, idle left. They're just right there. Press done. And we're going to put this actually right over here. And let's grab the JavaScript. I'll paste that in into the into the description. So if you right click onto your PNG, you'll see a number right there. That's the data model ID. Press copy. Go over here. So we got a few things going on. I gotta change this real quick and test, and then I'll explain what's happening. So so right up here it says idle right, idle left, walk right, walk left, and our character is moving. So everything's good. I gotta press exit. He didn't move, and that's because we need to create 4 states. So we're going to create one that says change state of, sorry, let's name this guy character. Okay, so we're going to create 4 of these. Create a change state of character to idle left when the variable changes. A character state if character state is idle left, and press OK. And so we're going to create, oops, that's fast. We'll create 4 of those. Next one we're going to say idle right and change it to idle right. Change it to walk right, and walk left. Now when we go preview, we're going to have right, left, idle right. So everything is being changed, everything's working. We're going to go to JavaScript, and I'll explain what's going on. Okay. So this first part is stuff that you can kind of change. You can change this to be a faster speed, faster move base, increase in speed each step. So you know how fast it accelerates. Character state was our variable right here. You can name it anything you want. Just put it right here. Character is right here. And so this is the code for it. You notice that this guy's placed over here, but he's kind of more in the center. Its center is here, but for some reason, if I place him in the center, he's going to be over here. So you just put him off to the left, and play it by ear of where it works for you. If it works for you, you can use ChatGPT to probably hide that or have it be wherever you want it to be. See, there's yeah, that's also doing the same thing, kind of. That's centering the X. So this would be up here. Oh, this is something else. Okay. So yeah, the centering the character. This is walk left, walk right. It's more of that. If you see something like this that you think is scary, it's just 3 equal signs or one of those. So it's not something that you can't type in. It's just how it displays. Yeah, so that's the code. Just copy it, paste it. Most of the stuff that we'll care about is right up here. And press OK. So that's it for right now. I'll get out the next tutorial on creating the background and having the background move with the character in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching.